Good evening everyone. Let's have a look at today's news headlines. A Volvo bus loses control crashing into multiple vehicles on Bengaluru's Hebbal flyover. The CCTV footage shows the bus hitting two bikers, leaving one seriously injured. The bus didn't stop after the initial collision and continued to crash into several other vehicles, causing widespread chaos on the busy flyover. A Bengaluru woman criticized Air India on the social media platform X for abruptly cancelling her international flight from Delhi to United States. She expressed frustration that the airline offered alternative routes and dates, causing inconvenience and leading to a social media backlash. She also mentioned that passengers lost money while rebooking and cancelling their tickets. On Tuesday, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah visited the Tungabhadra Dam to personally assess the situation and supervise the ongoing repair works. In response to the BJP allegations, he criticized the party for politicizing the issue of the dam's crust gate failure, emphasizing that the welfare of farmers is more important than political blame games. The incident, which occurred on Sunday, involved the breaking of a crust gate chain, leading to release of large volume of water. Following disapproval, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has withdrawn the current version of controversial draft Broadcasting Services Regulation Bill for now. However, the draft has not been scrapped as the INB ministry announced it is extending the deadline for receiving feedback on the bill to October 15, stating that a fresh draft would be published after detailed consultations with the stakeholders. The Supreme Court today closed the contempt proceedings pending against Patanjali Limited, its managing director Acharya Balakrishna and co-founder Baba Ramdev over the circulation of misleading medical advertisements in breach of court undertaking. The court warned that they should comply with all future orders of the court and not repeat their past conduct. The contempt case happened after a petition was filed by the Indian Medical Association against Patanjali's advertisements attacking allopathy and making claims about curing certain diseases. Israeli Defense Minister Yoav Gallant told US Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin on August 11 that Iran was making preparations for large-scale military attack on Israel. Axios reporter Barak Ravit said in a post on social media platform X. Moving on to the business news, FirstCry, an online store company, share price listed on Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange on Tuesday, deals at a premium of around 40%, beating the market estimates. Brainbees Solution, the parent company of e-commerce platform FirstCry, made a strong market debut on Tuesday. The company's shares opened at Rs 651 on the National Stock Exchange, marking a 40% premium over the issue price of Rs 465. Moving on to sports, Vinesh Phogat's last chance to win a medal at Paris Olympics is being decided at the Court of Arbitration for Sports today, 2 days after Paris 2024 officially ended. She was disqualified from competing in the final of the 50 kg weight class for being 100 grams over the permissible limit. Vinesh Phogat also announced her retirement from the sport. That's all for today. For more such news and updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.